Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue conditioner slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last week's video is... Also remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in the comments down below give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue conditioner slime. So the ingredients you guys need to make this slime recipe today is conditioner, and I'm using this one by Tresemme. You guys will also need shaving cream. Next thing you guys will need is a bowler plate to make your slime in. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. So I'm first going to take out my bowler plate and I'm going to get adding in my conditioner. I've never made a conditioner slime recipe just because I never really figured out how to make it right. And today I'm going to show you guys. Also, I'm so sorry my bird in the back is making a lot of noise. So I'm going to get adding the conditioner in. Okay, and that looks like enough, and here it is. And conditioner isn't really as thick as shampoo, so that's why I'm going to be adding the shaving cream in. You can use any type. This is just the gel kind where when you mix it, it makes it super fluffy and stuff. And now I'm going to get mixing it up. That is just enough mixing, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into the refrigerator for about an hour and a half, and I'll see you guys back when it's all done. Okay guys, so it's been about an hour and a half, and here it is. You can see it got super fluffy because every 30 minutes I started mixing it up and seeing how it got. So here it is, and I'm going to get mixing it up right now. And I can tell this got super fluffy and slime-like, and I'm going to pick it up. I can already tell it's super sticky. You can see that it forms some type of slime consistency, which is really awesome. I'm going to try zooming it out just a little bit for you guys to see it some more. It's still very sticky, but you can see it formed like a fluffy slime. I'm actually going to get mixing it a bit more to see if it actually turns a little bit not more sticky. So I'll see you guys in about a second. So I've been mixing it up a little bit more, and you can see it got non-sticky a little bit more, and it's more stretchy, which is super awesome. This is kind of like a no glue fluffy slime, but made from conditioner, which is super awesome. But yeah, this is how you make no glue conditioner slime, and it's really fluffy. Like, it is sticky, as I just said before. You can see you can still touch it and stuff, and it's really touchable and like playable. Like, it's just super sticky. So I'm actually gonna put this back into the refrigerator. So if you want to see how it looks like when it's not sticky and stuff, I'm actually gonna post it on my Instagram, which all my social medias are linked down below. Also remember to check out my giveaway. I'm giving away AirPods and a Karina Garcia slime kit, which I mentioned in my last video. So make sure you go check out that. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video today. This recipe was a big win-win on my part. And remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector. In the comments down below, give us some video ideas. Bye guys, I love you so much, and peace, and thumbs ups for no glue slime recipes. Bye!